Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is DENZA D9 Elite. One owner only, low mileage, and this car is absolutely packed with features. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this massive, luxurious MPV. I definitely love this color. Very dark blue, very nice, very subtle, but yet not boring. Yes, as I told you guys, this car comes packed with features. Of course, we have fully electric tailgate, the sliding doors are also fully electric, and we even have soft closing front doors, which is very nice. So we've seen this on the outside, however, this car is a lot more impressive on the inside. So now it's time for us to go in. All right, we're inside, and of course, these cars are very nice to be driven in and be seated behind. First thing you'll notice, the seats are absolutely beautiful, very beautiful stitched pattern on it. By the way, they are ventilated and massaging. How cool is that? Over here, we have a fridge to keep your drinks cool. How cool is that? Let's close this. Have a couple of cup holders here. Very subtle ambient light in front as well, even at the panoramic roof. Yes, have a look at this beautiful, beautiful panoramic roof behind. In front, we also have a sunroof. Here we have a very nice table. Place for your handphone, for your drink, even for your pen. Very nice. Here, this is the controller for your seats. You can do the massage here. You can even control your sunroof, the doors, and plenty of other things. So let me show you something really cool. We're gonna do it on this seat over here. So we have zero gravity. So when I press this, the seat will recline and the leg rest will deploy as well, to create a very comfortable position for you. Yes, this car is a 7-seater. Even the behind seats are very large and very comfortable. They even come with their own elbow rest. Got ambient light behind also. We have privacy curtains here as well. Overall, this is a very comfortable car and definitely looks luxurious. Just have a look at all the materials used. This is non-laminated wood, the leather, everything is beautifully stitched, and workmanship looks fantastic. And now that we've seen it behind, let us go to the front. All right, we are inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful, spacious, and luxurious looking cabin. We have 2-spoke, full leather steering wheel. It is soft touch, beautifully stitched, very nice to hold. We have soft touch leather everywhere. As you can see on your dashboard as well, there is ambient light in front. Now it's a little too bright, can't really see it. By the way, these seats are also ventilated and extremely comfortable. What I like is that your gear selector is very conventional, very easy to use as well. We have a couple of cup holders here, we have storage here. Look, it's all dampened, very nice, very luxurious feel. And even this also dampened very nicely. Wireless charger for your handphone here, which also comes with cooling vents so that your phone doesn't overheat. Very well thought out. Your speedometer cluster is in front, very conventional. I like this. Massive infotainment screen, and it comes with a lot of features. Okay, let's go to the menu. Here we click on my car, and you can see a lot of things you can control from here. Your seat ventilation, seat adjustment, opening doors, etc. The massage function is here as well, can be turned on. Your air con here is on display. Another thing I like about this car, even though now the trend is to go with touchscreens all the way, however, for this vehicle there is actually plenty of physical button controls, which are very nice. This is to open your icebox behind. Your sliding doors can be opened here as well. Also, this car comes with a reverse camera and 360 view. Have a look at it. So now it's in reverse, the rear camera is on. You can see it shows in centimeters how close I am to the wall. When I put it to drive, the front camera will turn on, which is very useful for a vehicle of this size. It is easy to maneuver. All right, guys, have another look. All right, so this is DENZA Luxurious. This is an electric competitor of Toyota Alphard or even perhaps Lexus LM. Car is truly luxurious, very comfortable, very spacious, and plenty of range. Now we got about 42% of battery, and it shows me about 200 plus left of range, which is quite impressive for electrical vehicle, especially of this size. On COE, we still got 8 years, 11 months left. Viewing for this unit available daily in our showroom, and you all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.